Everyone is talking about Veo, Sora, and other AI video generators. But what if I told you there's a free tool that can help you generate scripts, video ideas, voiceovers, research, and even entire documentary style videos from a single prompt? And the craziest part? Most creators still don't know it exists. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock its full potential and create content faster than ever before. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. Now, let's dive in.
This is our tool, NotebookLM, and yes, it's completely free to use. The key here is proper execution. You can generate long-form videos with it, but the big question is, how do you use it? Keep watching until the end, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. I'll also show you how to use it for free. Once you open the tool, click on Try NotebookLM, and then select Create New. This is what the interface looks like. Here you'll need to add your prompt. I'll show you exactly how to do that. This is also the studio section where you can generate videos, infographics, and much more. Please don't skip or fast forward this video, otherwise you might get confused during the process. Here you'll see options such as upload files, YouTube, website, Google Drive, and copy text. Using upload files, you can add videos, images, or documents as references for your project. The YouTube and website options allow NotebookLM to analyze content from a website or YouTube channel. With the Google Drive option, you can import files directly from your connected Drive account. If you'd like a detailed tutorial on these features, let me know in the comment section. For now, I'll show you how to create content inspired by any website or YouTube channel. Now, let's move to the most important section. Copy text. Click on it and paste or write your prompt here. I've already prepared my prompt, so I'll paste it here. In my prompt, I've instructed NotebookLM to create a highly emotional, cinematic documentary-style short film titled The Last Delivery. Then I describe the main character and his journey. A 25-year-old delivery rider spending his final day on the job before leaving to pursue a bigger dream. For years, he has spent his days racing through city streets, delivering packages, sacrificing time, comfort, and personal moments to support his family and build his future. I also instructed it to use a deep and emotional narration style. Next comes the visual style section. Here, I specified hyper-realistic cinematic footage, Netflix documentary quality visuals, IMAX-style cinematography, an urban city atmosphere, golden hour lighting, rain-soaked streets, drone shots, slow motion, shallow depth of field, volumetric lighting, film grain, and an emotional orchestral soundtrack. Then I explained how the story should begin. I started by describing the main character's routine. A young delivery rider wakes up in a small apartment. He gets ready for work, puts on his delivery jacket, wears his helmet, and checks his phone. The narrator then introduces the story with the line, "Every city has thousands of delivery riders. We see them every day, yet we rarely know the stories they carry behind every package." After that, I included a short flashback sequence to build an emotional connection with the character. On his final day, he receives one last delivery request. At this point, the emotional music begins to build. When he reaches the destination for his final delivery, a child smiles and asks, "Will I see you again?" The delivery rider replies, "This was my last delivery." This serves as the emotional conclusion of the story. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, click the Insert button. But we're not done yet. That was only the prompt creation stage. The actual video generation process starts now. We're in the studio section, where you'll need to configure a few settings. The Configure panel allows you to customize the overall video style. In the Customize section, you can upload reference images, videos, or document. If you open Audio Overview, you'll find language options here. You can choose your preferred language. You can also choose the audio format, such as deep dive or debate, depending on your content type. Since my story is emotional and narrative driven, I'll choose the deep dive format. Now click on Video Overview. Here you'll find 3 different video formats: brief, cinematic, and explainer. If you're using the Pro version, you'll have access to all 3 formats. However, if you're using the free version, you'll typically see only 2 options: brief and explainer. I'll show you how to generate long-form videos using these formats. For this tutorial, I'll mainly focus on the cinematic and explainer formats because the brief format is designed to provide a quick summary of your content rather than generating a complete video experience like the other 2 options. Let's first understand the difference between cinematic and explainer. The explainer format creates videos using images, visual elements, and motion graphics to present information in a more educational and presentation style format. The cinematic format, on the other hand, focuses more on storytelling and visual immersion. Another important difference is the customization options available in each format. In the explainer format, you'll have additional settings such as language and visual style. You can choose the language based on your target audience and select a visual style that best matches your content. However, these customization options are not available in the cinematic format. That's because the cinematic mode automatically focuses on creating a more immersive storytelling experience. Depending on the project, it may generate a mix of cinematic visuals, motion graphics, or even a fully motion graphics-based sequence while maintaining a cinematic storytelling style. Let's start with the cinematic format. Simply select Cinematic and click on Generate. As you can see, our video is now being generated. While that's processing, let me show you how to create an explainer video as well. The good news is that you don't need to make any changes to your prompt. Simply go back to Video Overview and select the explainer format. Here you'll notice a language option. NotebookLM supports a wide range of languages, including Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, and many others. Choose the language that best fits your audience. Next, you'll see the visual style option. If you don't select a style manually, NotebookLM will automatically choose one for you. However, based on my experience, selecting a visual style manually often produces better and more consistent results. The visual style plays an important role in shaping the final output, so it's worth spending a few seconds choosing one that matches your story. For this example, I'll select the retro print visual style. Once you've chosen your settings, click on Generate. Now you can see that both of our videos are currently being processed. While the videos are generating, let me show you one of the most powerful features of NotebookLM. You can use it to analyze successful YouTube channels and generate content ideas based on their style and niche. It's important to understand that this process is not about copying someone else's content. Instead, NotebookLM helps you understand the structure, topics, hooks, titles, and content patterns that are working well within a particular niche. Now that our videos are processing in the background, let me show you one of the most powerful features of NotebookLM: analyzing successful YouTube channels and generating content ideas based on their content strategy. Let's see how it works. Click on Create Notebook and then select the YouTube icon. You can add multiple URLs by separating them with a space or a new line. Only visible text from websites will be imported. Paid or subscription-based articles are currently not supported. For YouTube videos, NotebookLM currently imports only the available text transcript. Only public YouTube videos are supported. Recently uploaded videos may not be immediately available for import. If an upload fails, you can check the help section for common reasons and solutions. If you look at these videos, you can see that many of them have millions of views. Now, if you want to create content within a similar niche, simply copy the YouTube video or channel link and paste it here. Next, I use ChatGPT to analyze the channel's content strategy. For example, I can ask ChatGPT to analyze the channel and identify key elements such as the target audience, content niche, video structure, storytelling framework, title patterns, hooks, and audience engagement techniques. ChatGPT then helps me understand what makes the channel successful and can generate content ideas, title ideas, hook ideas, and prompt suggestions. I can further guide ChatGPT by asking it to maintain a similar niche, audience interest, storytelling style, and content structure while generating original content ideas. Once I'm satisfied with the output, I simply copy the generated prompt and paste it into NotebookLM. In most cases, all you need to do is provide the YouTube channel or video link that you want to analyze. As you can see, if you paste the entire prompt here, the insert option won't appear. That's because this section is designed only for source links. Let me show you the correct way to do it. Simply copy the prompt that we generated earlier, then remove everything else and keep only the YouTube channel link in this section. Now you can see that the insert button has appeared. Once the source is added successfully, we can use the prompt in the next step. Once everything is ready, click on Insert. NotebookLM will now begin analyzing the channel. Let's allow it to process the information in the background. While that's happening, I'll paste the prompt that was generated by ChatGPT. Then simply click on the arrow icon to continue. As you can see, NotebookLM has generated a detailed channel analysis report. The report includes everything we requested, including audience insights, content niche, video structure, storytelling framework, and other valuable content patterns. If needed, it can also help generate scripts and content ideas based on those insights. Once you've gathered all the insights, simply follow the same video generation process that I demonstrated earlier. And that's it. If you have any questions or run into any issues while using NotebookLM, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Additionally, let me show you how to generate infographics using NotebookLM. The process is incredibly simple. Simply click on Create Notebook, then select the infographic option. I'll use the same prompt that I used earlier to generate the video. After pasting the prompt, click on the arrow icon to continue. Once the processing is complete, click on the infographics section to open the customization settings. When the customization panel opens, you'll find several options to personalize your infographic. First, choose a visual style. For this example, I'll select editorial. Next, select the language you want the infographic text to appear in. NotebookLM will generate the infographic based on your selected preferences. You'll also have the option to choose the layout orientation, including square, portrait, and landscape formats. For this example, I'll select landscape. Once everything is configured, click on generate. As you can see, our infographic is now being generated. And just like that, our infographic is ready. Let's take a look. Wow, that actually looks impressive. The layout is clean, the information is structured properly, and the overall design looks professional. With the right prompt, you can generate professional-looking infographics for presentations, social media, blogs, educational content, and much more. Now, let's go back and check the videos that we're processing earlier. Let's see the final results. The cinematic video is still processing, so let's check out the explainer video first.
To the explainer. Today, we're unpacking a and it completely they carry behind every package. That right there, that's our cold open hook. It just plunges us straight into our protagonist's actual journey. We really need to understand the visual language at play here. To really set the stage, let's look at this you and me to look past mind through a premium lens. Before we trace our protagonist's actual, we get these flashbacks to experience his years of grind, and that naturally leads us right back to the present day for his final request, culminating dream career and a handwritten note from his very proud mother. He's quite literally sitting between the grueling work he has to do today and the life he's meant to arrive. What exactly is this physical and emotional toll? Well, we see long days under a blister. He do it. This comparison lays it out perfectly. The sacrifices, giving up his time, his personal comfort, his social life. Loving sacrifices for his future. Having set all accept, and the cinematic journey begins. This is it. One last ride.
Honestly, the explainer video looks surprisingly good. The structure, visuals, and pacing are all well put together. And the best part is that it generated a full 7-minute and 37-second video completely for free, which is great if you're looking to create long-form content. Now, let's move on to the cinematic version because that's the one I've been most excited to see.
Every modern city relies on replacing his identity to a career he has spent. Final long shift of his jacket, the heavy helmet, and the glowing phone screen but inside this room, the reality of his ambition is clear. On a worn wooden table sits an official corporate acceptance letter, resting right next to a handwritten note from his mother, detailing how proud she is of his hard work. This particular morning carries a unique weight. Today marks the conclusion of his time on the road, the final day before he like sudden. It requires this momentum finally slows. He replies, "This was my last delivery." Lucking back to his scooter, he unzips and removes his delivery jacket. He is finally shedding the identity of a gig worker to step into the future he built for himself.
And here is our cinematic video. This looks incredible. The visual quality, storytelling, and overall presentation are surprisingly good considering it was generated from a single prompt. What's even more impressive is that it has generated a complete long-form video rather than just a short clip. As you can see, NotebookLM can help you move from an idea to a complete content workflow much faster by assisting with research, scripting, visual planning, infographics, and video generation. Personally, I think both formats serve different purposes, but I'm curious to know what you think. Which one would you choose for your content? The explainer version or the cinematic version? Let me know in the comment section.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to create amazing AI-powered content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.